Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to solve a Pyramix. Now, Pyramix have corners and centers and edges. So let's scramble. Now I'm back with our scramble cube. Now we're gonna find these centers. Now this, we already have this center, then this, so we'll just do it here, and we already put the three corner on the place. Now we're gonna find blue and green. We'll find blue, it's there, so let's remove that. Now put that there, it's perfect, and then R. To put that R, U prime, R prime. Then to remove this, we're gonna do this R, U, R prime. Now there, and R, U, R prime. Now let us. Now it's there, so R, U, R prime. Now, as you can see, we have already matched up these corners. Now this will face, this will face down, and you're gonna do this algorithm. R, L,